Here is a short demonstration on how to work with the KF4 key fob and how to easily open it using a commonly available screwdriver. This simple guide will also show you how to correctly insert a new battery to ensure the key fob functions optimally. To pair KF4 with the mini bridge, start directly on the device. Hold down the s.r.o button for more than 3 seconds so that the mini bridge switches to pairing mode for the selected relay. To press the KF4 programming button, use a pin or any similar pointed object. Hold the programming button for 2 seconds. For the on function, press the top button twice, and for the off function, press the bottom button 3 times. A short press will exit pairing mode on both units, and they're ready to use.